Hi, my name is Stefan from Redwood City, and we just finished a job with Roy Builders. We completed 2 new bathroom renovations, an office renovation, all of our closets, the electrical, the floors, and a new fireplace. The whole process with Roy Builders went pretty smoothly from the beginning of meeting the team through picking out helping us pick out all of the materials. And then through the whole construction process, they were really responsive. They did everything they needed to do with COVID protocols to make sure we were safe. And most of the project we were out of the house, and they did a good job keeping the building site in good condition while we were away. So overall, we were really happy with the process. Our project manager was Elior, and we worked with him through the whole project. And he was always available. That was, I think, the most important thing for us, was that communication, making himself available early or late. We had a WhatsApp channel, and we were always texting with him on issues when they came up, or things that we had to adjust. When parts got delayed, he was able to quickly help us respond to pivot on challenges. Yeah, our house didn't have a lot of character when we started, and one of the important things was to add a couple features that were really nice to make our house stand out. So one of them was the fireplace. We spent a lot of time picking out exactly what we wanted for the fireplace to fit both our budget, but also the peculiarities of our house. Other features that we liked was the heated floors in our bathrooms, and skylight in the bathroom, entertainment and wiring in the walls for the TV connections, and a TV in the bathroom. Elior worked with us with change orders. Change orders was really important for us. Every time we had a change to the plan, he was really responsive and had an open mind, and his always answer was anything can be accomplished. And so we were able to, we had a very clear idea of what we wanted to accomplish, and so that vision, he helped us meet that vision. The end results are great. It fixed all the major problems that we had with the house, and we're really happy with it. When people ask us about renovation, we would definitely recommend Elior and his management of the project. It was a great experience working with Elior, and we felt that he was always responsive to what we were looking for.